Go down a little tiny bit. That is too darn funny that it chose me. Okay, so obviously we have to repick, but this is not the winner. Hey everyone, it's the Makeup Jeannie here, and whew, not feeling very well. I planned on going live, but I'm just going to do this video. I wanted y'all to take a look at the, my eyelash is already coming up right there. Well, the foundation and stuff I put on a couple hours ago, and I went outside. I wish I could hold my legs up for y'all to see. They're covered in dirt. I've been power washing the driveway and everything, and it was hot out there, so I have been sweating, but I've had this foundation on, like I said, out there, the eyeliner, the eyelashes, everything. But this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable in the color C1 Alabaster. So I don't remember the price. I think it was like around $8 or $9 for that. Ignore the fingernails. You did not see the nails. Okay. I mean, holy moly. I do know on my hair. Yeah, just forgive the hair too. Just forgive me in general. But yeah, I've not ever had foundation. I mean, it's settled a tiny bit, like around the nose and maybe here, in my laugh lines. But this stuff has not moved. Usually foundation, I don't care how expensive, what brand, it always, after a couple of hours on me, it just melts away, just disappears for some reason. I am really impressed. I mean, shoot, I didn't cuss. I just threw it over there though, way over there. I'm not gonna grab it. No, I will grab it because y'all need to see. I use these big old scissors to try to get it closer. Okay. Alright, so yes, I am very impressed with the L'Oreal True Match. So for all of you famous influencers out there, give this a try. Give this a long wear test and see what you think, because I love it. This is my all-time favorite. Seriously, I mean, I praised the L'Oreal Infallible. I thought it was good, the Pro Glow. And then I really liked the It Cosmetics Bye Bye lines. Those two were a toss-up. None of them now. This is it right here. Right here. And I don't know how I look with yellow because I don't think yellow is really my color. But this is the Honey by ColourPop. I pretty much used every shade in here but 3. I did use every shade in here but 3. I did not use the Dandy, Sunburst, or Queen Bee. Everything else I used. I'm going to cover the mirror. There it is. There's my eyes. But I don't hold my arms up too much. There's liable to be lots of hair up under there. No. There's not any hair under there. The lips today is brought to you by Wet n Wild. if I can find it. I laid it down somewhere. Oh, let's stick it back over here. Is this the one? No, that's not what I used. Oh, it's right in front of me. I be blind. Wet n Wild Stoplight Red 911D. Yes, I know there's controversy. Supposedly Wet n Wild is not cruelty free, but they bill themselves as cruelty free. I have no idea. I don't care. It was cheap and I wanted to try it. I think it was like 97 cents. So that's also been on my lips this whole entire time. I've not reapplied. I've not nothing. Let me see how it is. If it's creeped off the corners. No. Usually it'll start creeping out right in here in the corners of my smile. Still there. No lip liner or anything, just that. Cheeks is my Morphe blush palette, the cool tone palette. So the reason I'm here though is for the giveaway. I should have recorded this look for y'all, but like I said, I wasn't feeling too great. I knew I wanted to, oh, I also used for the first time my Jeffree Star sponges today from Morphe. Really, really liked. I like the texture of it. I like it better than this one, whoever that was. I don't remember whose sponge that is. That was not wet. And holy crap, this like got like 3 times the size. What? Let me get the package. Hold on. It's in the trash, but it's right here by me. Okay, here's the package it came out. It's probably already shrank some now because it's not as wet, but I wanted to test. I mean, look how it came out of there. It won't remotely go back in there because it expanded. I got it shoved in there now, but it's starting to get smaller now. This thing like doubled or tripled the size of what it was when I first got it. But yes, Jeffree Star. Did I say brushes? It's not brushes, it's a sponge. Jeffree Star sponges.